can always. Thanks.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Noodle, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from China. This is Artisan artificial beef instant noodle. Here is everything that's inside. Oh, look, a fork. So you dump everything in. 2-ounce cup. Got peanuts. Yes, peanuts. Here's a liquid sachet. A.m. ahead of the curve. That's good. Yeah, this is a paste. Come on. Get in there. Okay. A dry base sachet. And I'm guessing this is going to be those little, I don't know, we'll see what's inside. Vegetable action. And then the kind of tricky part, so this is the noodle block. When they do them like this, they like to go everywhere. It's kind of positive and negative how it's individually wrapped. Okay, get in. It's like the prep just to put it in the thing is kind of a pain. There's our fill line right there. Okay. Come on. All right. Done with our pot, yeah. Oh, all I did was boil water in it. Don't be a snake. So we'll put that there, and we got 5 minutes on that. And got the stove a little bit. Yeesh. The quicker, thicker, picker-upper, as they call it. So we're looking at up to, what did it say? During the daytime right now and in the afternoon, it said like, it sounds like we're looking at between now and like 2 or 3, a half to a whole inch, and then the rest of the afternoon and evening, we're looking at 2 to 4 more inches of rain. That's a lot of rain. They're talking about like flood and stuff like that. Not here locally, but if you go up a little bit, there's some rivers. They're saying that it might just hit flood stage. But that, you know, they got all this stuff that hit in the mountains. It's actually going to get warm. It's going to get close to 60 today. So anything that landed on the mountains recently as snow is going to melt. Possibly. I don't know. Atmospheric river. That's what they're calling it. So we had the bomb cyclone. Now this is the atmospheric river. And we're just gonna get doused with wetness here in the Seattle area, which is, most people, the only thing they know about Seattle is fish and rain and Nirvana. Oh, for you folks in Canada, Nirvana. Yeah. Ooh. What was this one? We'll use this bowl today. Where did I get this? Some company sent me this. Was it a company or a magazine? I can't remember. It's a neat bowl. Where's it from? It's got to be Japanese. The brand is Norumi. Norumi, made in China. It's a nice bowl though. I want to say I got it for doing an interview with a magazine in Japan called Courier. That was a long time ago. I've got some really old bowls. I've got, the oldest bowl I have is at least 24 years old. And I think I used it, I did use it yesterday. It's a round one with a lot of stripes. I used it on that miso yesterday. But there was one that was like it. They came in a set my folks got for me years and years and years, decades ago. But the other one broke in a dishwasher. But this one, it's good to go. So this one, I want to say they sent me 2 of them, but I don't know where the other one is. I probably gave it as a gift. It's a tricky thing. I like stuff and I like getting gifts and I like giving gifts. But the hard part is when I get gifts and I either already have one or I need to figure out what to do with it. And if I don't know what to do with it, I'm just kind of stuck. You know what I mean? When you get something that's like really cool, but you just don't have any use for it. And then you feel like a total jake. Hey. What a jake. What a nice gift. Well, it might have been a nice gift, but you should have been nicer about it. I'm pretty nice with gifts, I think. I'm just nice in general. Ooh, it doesn't want to... There it goes. Yeah, I need to do new music. God, it's already 8:13. It goes so quick. And then I've got one more after this, but I think I should be able to crank this out pretty quick. And then it's gonna be like, here's your banana kid. And then it's gonna be like, go, 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 bust, done. All right. Hot stuff. Giving it its stir. Definitely a lot of... I definitely smell Szechuan pepper. Come over here momentarily. Let's give this a try. Remember, I like the noodles that they put in these. Oh, very hot. Some of the garnish, interesting. Fake meat. Fake out fake meat. Here's some of the broth. of Szechuan pepper flavor, but not like the self-heating hot pots have so much Szechuan pepper flavor. It's like death. And it's artificial beef, but we'll put some real beef in there. Just sauteed beef. Beef juice. I remember my mom always referred to the meat having juices, and that's not juice. If I am cut, does not my juice come out? You know? There you go. Ah, a social media message. Good to know. Oh, it's getting windy outside. Crap, it's gonna get windy and rainy and we're gonna lose power. That's another reason to run through this as quickly as possible. And I'm gonna add some Lao Gan Ma because I've been kind of like neglecting showing everybody the wonderful thing that is Lao Gan Ma. So I'm going to be using it more lately. Oh my God. Put that on anything and it's just like amazing. Anything at all. Put it on your cheese. All right, Rotato, do your thing. All right, the next one, some extra hot sriracha from Aces, official licensee of Hoi Fong Sriracha. We'll give it a go tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.